Okay, I think a lot has happened since I did my last video. We had our egg retrieval. It was last Saturday. Today is Tuesday. So our egg retrieval was Saturday. This is day 3 of the embryos growing. So our egg retrieval, we got 8 eggs. And if I remember right, 6 of them, no, 5 of them were mature, but they did ICSI on 6 of them. And ICSI is the procedure where the sperm is actually injected into the egg to help it fertilize. So we were very nervous about this to see whether they're going to fertilize or not. But day 1, which is the day after the retrieval, the embryologist, I think the embryologist assistant called us and said that 5 had fertilized. So we were very happy. And yesterday they called to let us know that of the 5 that fertilized, 4 had divided into 4 cells, and the 5th one was still at 2 cells. But they were all a grade 1 or 2, which are the 2 best grades, the 2 highest grades. And then they called today to let us know that 3 had divided into 8 or 9 cells, which is exactly where they're supposed to be, and that the other 2 were just a little laggy and not quite at that stage, but that they're going to wait until the end of the day to see if they would catch up. So that is where we're at. When I get the call, I get teary-eyed. I want to laugh and cry, and it's just so emotional. So I cannot wait until Thursday morning. That's going to be the morning of our transfer. And I think that morning we'll sit down with the embryologist and the reproductive endocrinologist and decide, based on how many good embryos we have, how many to transfer. So in my mind and my husband's mind, we've talked about if there are more than 2 good, healthy embryos, then we will transfer 2 and freeze the rest. But if there's just 2, then we might only want to transfer 1 and freeze the other one. So we will see about that. I'm hoping that there's more than 2. But anyway, that's the update up until right now. We're just playing the waiting game. They're actually not going to call tomorrow on day 4 because I guess I didn't really understand what the lady said, but it sounded like everything looked good, and they're just going to kind of leave them alone tomorrow, which I'm fine with. But we're planning on doing the transfer Thursday at 9:45 a.m. And that is about it for now. Okay.